Next, I want to show you how you can create a walkthrough that goes maybe from here up the hill, inside this path, and to the entrance of the building. So how about I put the two views side by side, the side plan and the 3D view. I'm gonna go to the view, and we have the walkthrough here. You can keep clicking. I want to maybe start from here, go up, somewhere around here. I want to turn into the path, go this way. I want to go this way, and here, and maybe even into the building. So I want to turn here, and I want the last view to be something like this. Okay. So if you go to the walkthrough is here under the project browser. You can find it. I'm gonna go with TW or WT again to make all of them side by side. To play the walkthrough, you need to click on the edge, or right click and select it from here, or click show camera. You need to go to the edit walkthrough, and you can go to the first keyframe and play it from here. So now when the walkthrough is selected, or if you right click and if it's on show camera on the right side, just the way we had the setting for the camera, we have a setting for the walkthrough camera, and you can check the box for far clip active, and now you can see what's going on behind that. So we were not able to see that before. Make sure to remove the check mark for far clip active. Okay. Now I also want to add either a section or an elevation looking from this side. This side is east to west. So let's see, maybe I could open one of the elevations first. It's gonna be east elevation. I'll go with TWWT. Okay, better. Now we have all four views here. Maybe we don't even need the 3D view here anymore. We can close it. Okay, better. Now I want to hide this DWG file. The reason you see the DWG file is up there and this one is there, the real topography, is that if you remember, we changed the project base unit, right? So I'm gonna hide in view this element. Okay, actually it might be better to have a section rather than the east view that looks exactly aligned this pathway. So I'm going to create a section first. Here I want to create a section from here to here. If I click on this, it's looking that way. I want it to look the other way, and I want it to be deep enough to cover the pathway. Okay, this is good. Now I want to close the east view and bring that section instead. And I can go with WT. Again, in the section, you can select and hide the DWG, or you can just get rid of it. How about just to know what's going on here, I make it a little bit deeper. Okay, now it's better. And I don't actually need it to go all the way through there. I can just limit it to this part. Okay, so if we select the walkthrough, we can start editing that. And it's on the very first frame. You see it's 1 out of 300. We can take care of that number later. Okay, and we have the plan view there. We have the section view there and the walkthrough itself over there. Okay. So first step, you need to select the walkthrough. Just like camera, you can either select the edges of the walkthrough view or right click. Let me go to like this section. Right click on the walkthrough and go with show camera. It's going to show the camera. Then you can click on edit walkthrough under the modify tab. And you can see we have controls for active camera, path, add keyframe, and remove keyframe. We'll talk about all of them one by one. So in this case, I want to move the camera down. Actually, I need to go with a different option. Let's go back to edit walkthrough. Let's go to the next keyframe, previous keyframe, and I want to change this to the path. So I want the path to start down here. Okay. Now that I move the path, I can go to active camera. I can change that target. You see, I can move the target up and down. So I have a good view over here. I also need to select the DWG file in the walkthrough and hide it permanently. Okay, right, so we need to move the pathways down by going to edit walkthrough. We're gonna go with pathways one by one from here. After correcting each of the path points, we also need to make sure the camera target is looking correctly. Like if it's like this, it's going to look into the ground, right? So something like this is good. So yeah, it's important to take care of both the camera and the path. So I'm gonna go keyframe by keyframe, next keyframe. So now we are there. That looks good. We can go next keyframe. This keyframe, we need to move the target a little bit higher because we are going up the hill. Okay. Also, maybe here I want to move the target a little bit to the left so we can see more of the building here, because we are turning towards the building. And I'm going to come back here and move this a little bit down. Okay, so this is one of the situations that you really need to have 3 views side by side. We can go to next keyframe. Again, I need to go here, move the target to the left, much better. Next keyframe, next keyframe, next keyframe. Okay, so we can go to the first keyframe and we can play it to make sure that it's doing okay. Also, you can click on that frame and change the total frame number here. If we go from like 300 to 600, it's gonna take longer, so the video is gonna be slower. If you go from 300 to like 150 or something, the speed is gonna be double. Okay, so we can go back to the edit walkthrough and play it from here. So whichever is your active view is going to show the the walkthrough over there. So I need to click on walkthrough itself and then play to see it on the actual walkthrough. So it goes up the hill here. Maybe I should change the target direction a little bit to the left here. It goes up the hill. Now it's going to start turning to left. Okay. It turns left, goes to the pathway, goes to the entrance. Okay, it's almost good. Okay. Yeah, okay. So the key things is to have 3 views side by side, one plan, one section, and one walkthrough itself. Another key thing is to go frame by frame, and you can edit walkthrough from here, and you can click on the walkthrough either on this view or on this other view. You can go back and forth between the keyframes, and then you need to switch between active camera and path to change the path elevation and to change the elevation of the target of the camera. Okay, and that's it.